Imagine this: a home theater so immersive you feel the movie in your bones, but without a massive TV, without complicated installations, and without needing a single foot of space behind you. This is the magic of ultra short throw. But here's the terrifying truth: most people are buying the wrong one. After testing different models in our light-controlled studio, what we discovered about brightness, claims, color accuracy, and hidden costs will shock you. One projector failed spectacularly at minute 12. Another revealed a secret feature that changes everything. Today, I'm revealing the only 5 ultra short throw projectors and that are actually worth your investment, and number 3 is going to start a war in the comments. Starting at number 1. Hisense PX3 Pro TriChroma Laser Projector. The PX3 Pro starts with all the strengths that made its predecessor, the PX2 Pro, a top pick, and then adds to them. Its strongest feature, and one key reason to put it on your shortlist, is its top-tier image quality for both SDR and HDR content, with HDR support for all 4 current HDR variations: HDR10, HLG, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. A close second for gamers is that it's the first UST projector to earn a Design for Xbox certification, thanks to features that include a state-of-the-art short lag and support for 1440p resolution, which is increasingly popular among gamers. It also delivers many additional features, including Google TV for streaming, a powered focus, and myriad useful settings options. All this makes it a triple winner for image quality, feature set, and gaming. Serious video files, suitable for both casual TV viewing and traditional home theater use in dark rooms. The PX3 Pro is for discerning videophiles who want the best image quality and don't see, or don't mind seeing, the occasional rainbow artifact that DLP projectors tend to show. PC gamers and Xbox users, the PX3 Pro is also an obvious choice for gamers, PC and console, who want the benefits of a UST lens and a projector designed with gaming in mind. Number 2. Hisense L9Q. The Hisense L9Q is expensive, at $5,997.97 list, and well worth it. Rated at 5,000 ANSI lumens, it's the brightest ultra-short throw, UST, model we've seen, giving it the edge in rooms with windows and lights on. Its lens is also the first we've seen that's rated for up to a 200-inch image size, larger than anyone would need in a home setting, and the throw is even shorter than for most other UST projectors, so you won't have to pull your furniture away from the wall to get a seriously big picture. Beyond that, L9Q delivers a stunning image, thanks to 4K resolution, a wide color gamut, 110% of the standard for UHD TVs and projectors, and excellent support for every current version of HDR. It also offers all the settings you need for a full calibration or simply adjusting its predefined picture modes to taste. It even has an impressive 116-watt onboard audio system, built around 10 speakers, including 2 subwoofers. Odds are you won't need an external sound system to improve on it. Home users who want top performance, the L9Q is obviously of most interest to those who want top performance and are willing to pay for it. People who watch movies in 3D, the L9Q not only offers higher brightness than its closest competition, but it's the only high-brightness UST model at this rating that supports full HD 3D. If you have a library of 3D movies or want the brightest, high-quality picture available in a UST model, the L9Q is almost certainly the projector you want. Number 3. Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS650 Smart Streaming Laser Projector. The Epson LS650 is the least expensive UST projector we've seen that uses a 3 LCD chip design, guaranteeing you won't see any rainbow artifacts, and it offers impressive value. Epson rates the brightness at 3,600 lumens, enough to light up the 120-inch maximum size screen the projector's rated for and still stand up to the ambient light typical of a family room. Beyond that, although it's actually putting fewer pixels on screen than are in a 4K, 840 by 160 pixel image, its level of detail is virtually indistinguishable from 4K. It also offers fully integrated Android TV, with support for both HDR and HLG, as well as good onboard audio quality from its 2 5-watt full-range speakers and a 10-watt subwoofer. Additionally, it has short enough input lag for casual gaming. We measured it at 27.1 milliseconds for both 4K and 1080p input at 60 Hz. Shoppers seeking a smart TV replacement, this projector can be a great fit for those who want a TV substitute that's as easy to set up and use as a flat-screen TV. In our tests, it delivered a highly watchable image with default settings, even in the brightest picture mode, and even better quality in modes tuned for quality rather than brightness. Note, the lack of 3D support will rule out the LS650 for some, and its lack of settings to allow a full calibration may rule it out for others. Budget-minded viewers sensitive to rainbow artifacts, this Epson model is the obvious choice for anyone who finds rainbow artifacts annoying enough to rule out projectors that can show them, but also wants to spend as little as possible for the benefits of a UST projector. Number 4. AAXA M8 Ultra Short Throw Projector. The AAXA M8 is our favorite budget UST projector for its balance of portability, ultra-short throw convenience, and affordability in a projector niche that has few compelling low-cost options. It delivers a solid 1080p image with good shadow detail and some HDR benefits, making it well-suited for casual home entertainment or small business use. It isn't bright enough to replace a living room TV, and it falls short for gaming or color purists, but its compact design, easy setup, and versatile connectivity give it an edge. Budget shoppers sold on a UST projector. For anyone specifically seeking a UST projector on a tight budget, the M8 offers the most practical mix of features and value we've seen so far. Casual users, the M8 is best for unfussy movie watchers, families, or small businesses that need a portable, easy-to-set-up projector for presentations or occasional entertainment in dimly lit rooms. Number 5. Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 3-chip 3 LCD Smart Streaming Laser Projector. The Epson LS800 takes the key advantage of UST projectors to the extreme by offering the shortest throw we've yet seen. So, while most UST models force you to pull your furniture a few inches from the wall to accommodate a 120-inch wall-mounted screen, the LS800 allows you to fill the screen and leave the furniture where you really want it. Also, the LS800 employs a laser light source with a brightness rating of 4000 ANSI lumens, a 3 LCD design that guarantees it can't show rainbow artifacts. You get a high-quality image with good color accuracy and contrast. Plus, as a bonus for gamers, short input lag for a 4K class UST projector. It even offers a robust stereo audio system, with two 5-watt speakers and a 10-watt subwoofer. UST seekers that need the shortest throw possible, the LS800 lacks 3D support, as well as options that allow a full calibration, so you'll have to look elsewhere if you consider either feature essential. But if your projecting space mandates the shortest throw you can get, shortlist this projector. Viewers sensitive to rainbow artifacts, for those who can't abide rainbow artifacts, the fact that the LS800 can't show them will be enough by itself to make it a strong contender. Shoppers looking for a no-fuss TV replacement, more generally, the LS800 is a sterling choice for anyone looking for a TV replacement, thanks to its excellent image quality straight out of the box, a level of detail that's virtually indistinguishable from a 4K image, using fewer pixels, but enough so the eye can't see the difference, notably short input lag for gaming, and, as mentioned, an equally notable short throw even for a UST projector. So there you have it, the 5 warriors that survived our brutal testing gauntlet. That moment when projector number 2 displayed those inky blacks, I'm still recovering. Now every single link, for today's top pick, our Budget King and even the Premium Dream Machine, are waiting for you in the description below. Check them out, compare prices, and see current availability. Remember, the right UST doesn't just show a movie, it creates an experience. Which one would transform your living room? Scream at me in the comments. If this deep dive saved you from a costly mistake, do us a huge favor, smash that like button, share this with a friend planning their home theater, and subscribe with notifications on, because next week we're exposing the biggest lie in the soundbar industry. You've been warned.